Hey, welcome back to Rusty Judgment. Today what I got going is I'm finally going to resurrect the 81 Z28 Camaro that's been in storage. We introduced it like a year ago when Uncle Eric was pulling out his 1970 Mach 1. The Camaro's sitting right next to it. We are finally going to get that thing out of there, and my dad is going to do some work to it and get it fixed up. And so today we're digging it out. This is going on Rusty Judgment.
Yeah.
Hey guys, real quick before the video starts. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving at 8 a.m. to 8:45. Dawn's gonna do a YouTube live on her channel, The Minimal Mom. And then immediately following at 8:50 on this channel, Rusty Judgment, we're gonna do a YouTube live in the garage from 8:50 to 9:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. If you have any automotive questions, any just random questions you're curious about that we've never answered before, write them down, check into Rusty Judgment at 8:45 tomorrow morning, and we'll catch you then. All right, back to the video. All right, so here we are back at the beloved shed that we call the chapel. This building is called the chapel because it actually was put up the summer that Dawn and I got married. Our reception was held in this building, fun fact. And so it's always been known as the chapel. It is currently just like a storage shed that Uncle Eric keeps a lot of his cool vehicles in, like the Mustang. So we are tasked with getting the Mustang out of here and cleaning all this out so we can get that out of here. This is what we're after. It does actually roll really easy. I just don't want to lose it. Oh, she's on dollies. This thing has not moved in 12 years, and she's dirty. So what do you think now that you see it? Push it back?
Yeah, push it. almost wonder if that's probably the best angle. It's really low back there. I was going to go for the one with concrete, but honestly, that's probably the right way to win. All right, my camera died. It's super windy. Dawn came and gave me a different camera and batteries. It's all strapped down and ready to go home. First assessments, she looks filthy. It's got 12 years of dirt and dust and grime and all kinds of critter feces all over it. But I'd say overall it's actually weathered the last 12 years pretty well. Considering that, well, nothing has been taken care of on it in 12 years. But we're gonna get it home and we're gonna start pressure washing this thing off and see what we got underneath all this dirt. The interior has standing water in. I want to see, this steering wheel is disgusting. I think the steering wheel is shot, and so we're just going to give it a little shot here and see if it cleans up at all or if it doesn't do nothing. I'd say that's pretty night and day. Yeah, that cleaned it. Yeah, I set that one just in case. Just in case we couldn't stop it. Alright, it made it in its resting place. Hopefully this will be the last resting place until it can run and drive on its own. Now we can get it up on jack stands and, well, vacuum out all the water out of the interior first. And then get it up on jack stands and see what we're working with here. When I was 19, I had a 1994 Z28 that I bought totaled. And this was the back rear centerpiece of it, and I cut it out and painted these and painted the Z28, and I've hung on to it ever since then because I'm a huge Camaro guy. Like, I know some people are Corvette people, Mustang people, whatever. For whatever reason, like, I've always been drawn to the Camaros, like, more than any other vehicle. Well, like, yeah, do I think Mustangs are cool? Do I think Camaros are cool? Corvettes? Not a big Mopar guy. And pretty much anything old General Motors. But I'm a huge Camaro fan. Alright, stay tuned for more videos on the Camaro. See how this thing tracks along. This one might actually get completed because this is my dad's. This was my car when I was 16. I bought it. When I was 16, I'll plug a picture of me in here with it. He bought it from me when I was 17 and started working on it. I did some of the work with him. He did most of it while I was off in college. And so this is his baby. I will kind of assist him when he needs or when he wants help and stuff. I was tasked at getting him the facility for working on it. And so I think next for the Camaro is gonna be get it running. It hasn't started in about 16 years. It sat at my in-laws in their shed for 12. And before that it sat in my dad's shed for 4. So hasn't ran in 6 years. I did tear the motor down to the bare block and rebuild it, so we'll see if it runs or not. So come back next time, let us know what you think. Comment down below if you like the Camaro, what you want to see him do with it. He's all about all original. Thanks for watching, bye bye.